Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a really long time since I posted. There's a good reason behind it. So I ordered all the parts for the Honda Civic, and it did arrive say a month ago or a month and a half ago, like every single one. So since it arrived, I've been trying to rebuild it, and it's been raining continuously, so I had no chance of coming out and doing the rebuild. So I've been busy building this shed. I know it's not a garage, I don't have a ramp or anything, but I've been busy building this. Now I don't have any excuse to say it's raining, I can't do any build or anything like that. So it is simple, but it took me just over a month to complete it. Just a roof above my backyard, that's all, nothing fancy. So now it's finally time to start the rebuild, and before I start the rebuild, a small update with the bonnet actuators, which I had an issue with because it was really expensive to buy one. Instead of buying a Honda actuator, I bought a different one, slightly different design, but not massive difference. The only issue I had was the wiring harness. Let me show you. There you go. So the wiring harness, it was different. So the clips and everything was different for this. So what I did was I chopped off the old one from the old actuator and rewired it into this one. Hopefully it doesn't blow up or anything, and hopefully it works. If it does work, it only cost me about 30 to 40 pounds for everything. And so while I was waiting for the parts, the other thing I did was I removed the airbag module and sent it off to the airbag team to get it reset and everything. So that's back. I did try to record it, but for some reason it didn't record, so I can show you when I'm putting it back. And for those who are wondering what's going on, so I bought this Honda Civic crash damaged back in December, I think. I know it's been a long time. So I'll put the link like on the right hand corner with the first two videos and stuff. So I bought this from Copart Cat S, and since I bought it, stripped it off, and just the front. So the back I have not touched it yet. Hopefully once I finish rebuilding the front, I'll start with the rear. I think I might have to send it to the garage. I tried to open the rear door, but I'm struggling, it's not easy. So that's the story behind the car. Not a massive story, just bought it as my second project car, and hopefully I want to rebuild it and do some modifications. And without further ado, let's start putting everything together, and the parts are right there. So with the slam panel, I don't know if you remember from the previous video, I showed you that it was damaged here. This was bent, and this side was bent as well. So I sent it to a body shop and managed to get it repaired rather than buying one, because I think to buy one it was like nearly 300 pounds. But I did manage to get it repaired. So some of these stuffs are second-hand. So the bumper is building up. I got some good parts from the old one, and the front grille bought it brand new, but it came damaged. I did speak to the seller, and they did give me some refund, and it was just a slight crack on two sides. Can get it repaired, that's not a big deal. And air condenser, I did buy it brand new. Radiator, second hand, but it's tested and certified. Yeah, so all the parts are here, and let's start building it, and hopefully by end of this video I want to get it started. So I'm starting off with the bonnet hinges. It was damaged due to the impact from the bonnet actuators. So let's get that changed and move on to the next one. Now I'm installing the radar sensor. It's just held on by two 10mm bolts. Just straightforward, nice and easy. And the slam panel is held on by 6 bolts in total, so 4 on the front and 1 each on the top, on either side.
In the world you'll see, they'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
So the radiator, it didn't come with the fans. Luckily the fan from the old one was not damaged, so I managed to save it and install it on the new one. Installing the radiator is just straightforward. So all you do is connect all the hoses, just one on top, one on the bottom, and then a little hose which goes from the radiator to the coolant system, and then it's just to hold it in place, 2 brackets from the slam panel to the radiator, and the air condenser is held on with 4 10mm bolts to the radiator. So 8 13mm bolts holds the crash bar, 4 on each side. Now I'm installing the air guide for the radiator and the air condenser. It's just held on by a few clips on the top and bottom.
That the brothers on the rise now.
And now the headlight, it's held on with I think it was 5 bolts, 2 on the top, 1 on the side, and 2 underneath. They were all, I think it was 12 mil. No, actually it was 10 mil, all of them.
I'ma blow up in the summer, have them yelling fall back. And I've always been ahead like an effing ball cap. Man, I came in the game like, whoa. Got a couple chains on me cause I like gold. They told me I'm the best and I told them I know. Cause when I'm in your town, every ticket I sold. Yeah, They saying I'm the man, facts bro. Lot of haters, tell me where they at though. I'm the new pop, all I do is rap though. Want me on your song, throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing. That's why we ain't on the same page. Do my own thing, and I maintain. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. I'm going mainstream. Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream. Yeah, I'm going.
So the bumper, when I bought the bumper, it was second hand and it did not come with all the trims, so I had to purchase some of the trims separate, and some trims I could manage to salvage it from the old bumper, which was quite lucky because just for those two bottom grills, it's like nearly £100, and just assembling the bumper from the old one to the new one now. So if you remember from the last video, I did promise you guys that I will share how much it cost me for the car and the parts. So I bought the car from Copart, so including the fee and everything, it cost me and delivery, it cost me nearly £3,000. And then for the actuators, I paid nearly £35. That's including postage, which is not Honda, but so after the installation, it has not come up with any error messages, so I'm hoping that it works. I don't know, because I don't know if that's preventing the car from starting. We'll find out on the next one. And the radiator, it was £160. It wasn't brand new, it was second hand. And the air condenser, £90. The front bumper, just for the bare shell, it was £190. And then I had to buy most of the trims separate. So the trims, the lower grill was £65, and the front grill, the main grill, it was £94, and the rear bumper cost me £305, and the boot lid, the tailgate, it cost me £209. Luckily, I managed to get everything in the same color, and there are no damages or any paintworks needed for the tailgate and the rear bumper. So in all, I have spent, including the car and the parts, so far it's coming up to £4,858. So that's including postage and everything. There's more to spend on the rear of the car. I'm not sure how much it's gonna cost me to get that out. I don't know if I can pull it out or if the boot needs to be replaced. We can only find out once it's gone to the garage. Yeah, so let's see what's happening. So there we are. I know it's not perfect. There are like loads of panel caps and stuff to sort out. This bonnet, I think it needs to come up a little bit, and in here as well. There are a few panel gaps that I need to sort out, and this needs pushing down. But compared to how it was when I got it and to how it's looking now, I think it looks really, really nice. Also, the side indicators, I just changed it to fully black, because once it's all complete, I'm thinking of dechroming everything. It's not much to dechrome anyway, just a few bits and bobs. So tell me what you think so far. I think it looks pretty good from how it was before. There are a few works. The bumper needs respraying, this bit, and then this bit here. Yeah, apart from that, next thing I want to do, install the airbag module and then try and start the car. Hopefully it starts. Let's see what happens. So the airbag module is right underneath the center console, just held on with 3 10mm bolts, and two of those clips are connecting it. So I've installed the airbag module now, and next thing I want to do is plug in the OBD reader and then clear all the fault codes, and hopefully nothing blows up or the airbag goes off. I'm really nervous. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Oh wow, it's scanning and 11 issues found so far. I'm really nervous, and I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I really hope it starts. Let's see. Cleared everything, but I don't know if you can see the crash light is still showing up. Let's see if I can start it. So I've tried everything I can. The car still wouldn't start. It's showing all the crash data, so I need to speak to the airbag team. I don't know if it has not been reset properly, so I guess that's it for today's video, and I hope on the next video, at least on the next video, the car starts. So tomorrow I'm going to speak to the airbag team and see what they say, and also I'm not sure if there is a cut-off switch for the fuel line after a crash, but I did speak to Honda like a few months ago, and they said there isn't a cut-off switch or anything, so I don't know. Let's see. I'll speak to the airbag team and do some research and see why it's not starting, and I'll get back to you on the next video, and hopefully it starts and drives on the next video. And I'm really disappointed, but it is what it is. Thank you so much for watching so far, and if you are enjoying the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and please do share as well, and stay tuned. I'll see you on the next one.